Hello, hello, hello. Good evening. I'm just working on some different whips. Um, this one here in my hand is my metered square blanket. I have one more row to do on this blue. I have, this will be number 4 done. I have been, I gotta tuck my tails ends in on my chicken hot pads. Um, I have a red blanket on my chair. So I figure here in just a minute I'll sit down and work on that one. I have a couple packages I need to send out the door tomorrow or Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday. Somewhere in there. I'm working on a Sonic. And I'll be working on that a lot more this weekend. This red blanket is going to be about 6.5 feet tall, long, length, whatever, height. And right now it's like a little above my head, right at my head. Something, we'll see. I'll hold it up in just a minute. On this metered square blanket, I am using one of my Yarnology hooks, and it is letter I, or a 5.5 millimeter. So Yarnology, I need to remember to tag that in this video. I better or hashtag it, I should say. I should put that in here. I just wrote it down. I have to write notes on everything in order for me to remember. Ooh, I could always do a message and put a message in there with a hashtag in it. Let me do that real quick because I will forget. See if I can't remember to tag those in my comments, and then I should be good to go. After you, I think this is my last row. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Yes, this is my last row on this one. Ray's back on the road. And he's in Colorado right now. He'll be coming through because he left some stuff home. So I'll go meet him. I woke up to this morning and I had snow. This is May. Snow should be gone. I didn't go live on YouTube yesterday, but I'm trying to get into it, build a habit where I go live on Facebook and YouTube. I did do a small video today on TikTok about the snow. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Yes, that's my last one. Slip, stitch, pull, tight, cut, and there is my metered square. It will be together. I'll sew them together like this. And in the center, it will have like all four. It'll have 4 squares of this in the center, and then the blue going around. And then I will have some other stuff around the outer edge after I make that square. So that's one project. I need to hook this so I know what this hook goes. Yeah, so my Yarnology hooks and my purple one here that I didn't put away. And they range from 2 millimeter, then have numbers and millimeters, and then to a 7. So, yeah, my fat belly, which you really don't see. Let's do this one real quick. Finish this row. This is my red Mainstays blanket. See, it's up above my head. Well, right at my hairline, I guess. So, I'm going to do a hashtag on that. Hold back here. Been on almost 10 minutes. Woohoo! That's rocking it. So, this is just a double crochet stitch blanket. I'm pushing to have this blanket done by mid-May. So I got to get my ass in gear and get on it. I think I have the rest of this skein and at least one more skein to make it 6.5 foot. So when I'm done with that skein, I am going to measure it to see how far I am. I did get my, oops, knocked my head down. My head for my mannequin head down so I can measure or put hats on it. So I did get my red, white, and blue blanket done. Looking good. Some spots I do have to go back through and snip some of the yarn, but that won't take very long. Just that does get to be annoying, so, and time consuming. Well, not really time consuming, just finding the areas I need to snip. So that one is done. I was all excited about that. I made each of the granny squares first, and I started out with the blue squares, I believe. I have a piece of hair somewhere. I'm always told hair in it is extra for DNA. So I charge extra for when I have the hair in it. Joking. I don't think YouTube and Facebook like me that much because they don't send it out to tell people I'm on very often. So I gotta build that up. Um, yeah. Got pizza in the oven. Alex put it in for us. So was your guys' weather really good today? Crappy? What? I woke up to snow, and now being back here for a couple hours, I'm starting to hurt again. So here in a bit, I'll drag my happy behind back out there, and I will make up another chicken hot pad and probably check out Begaday's chicken dishcloth just for see what's different on them. So, but these could be used as dishcloths or hot pads. So maybe I should just take and sew two together for the hot pads, and then they can't be used as. Well, I guess it could. It'd just be really hard to wring out. So, and I have a lemon YouTube collaboration coming up. So I will be making a lemon, and maybe they could use that as a dishcloth too. So I'm going to let you go. Pizza is going off. Alexa's telling me it's done. So Love you. Have a good day. And I might pop back on later. So hopefully you'll catch me. Do a hashtag replay, like my video, and share. Love ya.